The Winds of Change project. Led by a collaboration between Smart Green Shipping and the University of Southampton, represents a critical step towards decarbonising the shipping industry. Large ships consume over 200 million tonnes of fuel each year, generating 3% of total global greenhouse gas emissions. New international and regional regulations are demanding significant reductions in these emissions, requiring the industry to rapidly find solutions. Among these, wind-assisted propulsion stands out as a viable and immediate solution. With potential fuel savings of up to 40% per annum, wind-assisted propulsion is demonstrating its potential to rapidly advance the future of maritime transportation. Smart Green Shipping's lightweight and easily retrofitted fast rig technology is leading the way with the support of the University of Southampton.
We've got a climate emergency, experiencing it day in, day out. Wind is available, it's close to market, and we've got the capability, academics, engineers, naval architects, to work together to design robust systems that we can install on ships today to start driving emissions out of the global fleet in line with science. And that just buys everybody more time.
Fast Rig is a lightweight, rigid wing sail designed and created by Smart Green Shipping that harnesses the power of the wind to produce thrust and help propel existing and new-build commercial vessels. Its development required a consortium of industry partners to refine the aerodynamic design, conduct detailed structural analysis, manufacture the wing sail and support structure, develop the control and safety systems, and integrate the Fast Rig with the existing ship's structure and systems. The result was a 20-metre prototype Fast Rig wing sail. A former wind turbine test site in an exposed corner of Scotland was the perfect location for the first rigorous testing of the Fast Rig prototype, demonstrating the system's safety and reliability in real-life conditions. The next stage of testing involved having the wing sail installed on a commercial ship for the first time. The Winds of Change team successfully installed the prototype Fast Rig on the Pacific Grebe in her home port of Barrow. The 8-week sea trials showcased the comparative ease of retrofitting this lightweight wing sail dockside. Sea trials made clear that they were robust, stowable on deck, and integrated easily into safe operations. Factors that are key concerns for the maritime industry.
At its heart, it's a robust technology. It shares a lot of DNA with products that Cali has been designing and building for many, many years. So it's got its basis in things that we know how to design, we know how to build, we know how to install. But we're doing it in a slightly different way here. It's the first time it's been a mechanical wing. The challenges of bringing that together and working with different stakeholders and different approaches to things and making it all work together in the way that we want it to work has been a learning opportunity for everyone.
Winds of Change enabled Smart Green Shipping and the university to conduct detailed engineering studies, ensure compliance with authorities, and verify performance prediction calculations. Testing was conducted under recently introduced International Towing Tank Convention protocols, setting new industry standards for scientific rigour and industry confidence.
What's really unique about this project is the level of detail we're going into in terms of our numerical predictions, our experimental testing and understanding these complex interactions. The purpose of us being here in the wind tunnel is to understand the aerodynamic performance of the wing sail. So we've got scale models of the wings behind us, and it allows us to understand the aerodynamic performance and how they interact with each other. So as we move to commercial installations, we'll have multiple wings. We need to understand how they interact with each other and how they interact with other structures on the ship, such as cranes and ship superstructure. The important thing about being able to do scale model experiments in controlled facilities like this is that we remove all of the fluctuations and the uncertainties associated with real-world testing. So we could create a controlled environment which gives us a lot of certainty and confidence in the data we capture, and we use that to validate our numerical tools.
The key role of the university has been to develop performance prediction modelling tools that include the complex interactions seen by wind-propelled ships. In order to do this, we need to balance the aerodynamic and hydrodynamic forces acting on the ship. The aerodynamic forces from the wing sail were determined using a combination of numerical models and experimental data from tests in our wind tunnel facility. The hydrodynamic performance of the vessel was assessed using a scale model of the MV Pacific Grebe in the university's 138-metre-long towing tank. This included the effect of wind propulsion by systematically varying the heel angle, leeway angle, rudder angle, and propeller loading. All the forces acting on the wind-propelled ship are then combined into a performance prediction algorithm, enabling us to predict the ship's performance for different wind speeds and directions. By comparing the vessel's speed and power consumption with and without the wing sails, the potential savings in fuel and CO2 can be determined. During the sea trials, researchers at the university conducted a series of controlled tests to validate these performance prediction models. The results showed good agreement for most trial conditions between the predicted and measured savings. This increases confidence in the accuracy of modelled fuel savings and real-world scenarios when fast rig technology is installed on a vessel. These calculations were also used to verify Smart Green Shipping's performance modelling software, FastRoute, independently verifying its accuracy for the market. The Winds of Change project marks a powerful step forward. What began as a 20-metre prototype has evolved into a sleek, cutting-edge, 35-metre wing sail, poised to meet real-world demand. Backed by the proven accuracy of FastRoute's performance modelling, and with FastRig now scaled for commercial use, Smart Green Shipping is charting a bold new course. In partnership with pioneers like the University of Southampton and Drax, we're setting sail toward a more sustainable future.